nakatindog ka na.
내 바람은 그리 크지 않아 단지 조용히
Last day. Tomorrow is the last day. Let's go guys. By the time ma-upload niya. Pag-RP ako.
소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히
Go top 1. Good luck and God bless. Yan nga lang.
I would like to encourage everybody, do not remove the lid cover because it will protect all the Christmas collections when velvet drops still in the from my base experience, my own experience. It's easier or it's always
Gubag yung mga ipon, Day?
This is it.
Yan, Day?
Kuan ba? Pag di niya ma-upload ka ba na?
Ang bawi siyang araw. Pag di ma-upload mo na lang.
Okay, peace lang, good.
Kada ka-vlog sila yun. Ayo, ay daw.
Guys,
Just because you don't give a shit, Will, doesn't mean it doesn't matter.
I'm watching Upgrade.
I
It's
give
a
a shit. I
movie
give a lot of shit to
starring
my career,
Camila
and I put it on risk
Mendes
because I thought you
and
and your mom
Archie.
understood that.
I don't know.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I meant
And
that
today
last
is
year.
February 12, Monday.
Honestly, I came here to tell you that I got the
The
job.
day
on
that
Friday.
result will come out daw pero wala pa naman. Oh my God.
새벽이 찾아와 밤의 명암은 더욱 깊어져 망가네
Oh no, that's crazy.
Hi guys. With the RTRP. Yo 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 yo. With the new phone. ipapalit itong mic eh. So, it's been a while. We're back. I promise guys, mag-vlog na ko. We're here at Ginabon Cafe and Pastry. So, this around sa Pora Street behind Yusat and Hokkaido Milk Tea. I'm with Adi Daily again.
No, it's not daily.
Adi na daily?
Daily na siya daily. Hindi na siya daily. Daily na
Okay, so we're here at Black Space.